Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So today we will have the community scrum on Thursday for February. So here there's Sasha and David. I think there is today. Ada dua David ya? Yeah, I saw there's David as well. Then today I will share my screen first. Okay, so here we have community chapter Trello board, and then I will go to the campaign program directly. So for the campaign program, the update from Om Rafiq is uh, the update from Om Rafiq is today he get call from the Tegas Asri partner and then Kembang Kuning, and then they will sign the contract by tomorrow. So tomorrow we will get two more partner that extending the contract. But I think Om Rafiq not record the update yet here. Maybe Sasha, could you put on the comment of the Trello board? uh, Tell Om Rafiq for update the Trello for the Tegas Asri and Kemang Kuning that will sign the contract by tomorrow ya. Okay, welcome Lilis.
Thank you, Kak Tendi.
Siap. Okay, and then the next one for the community engagement meeting program. Okay, let me see. The update from Om Rafiq is there are there are 10 topic for the renewing contract. Sorry, I think it's not loading fully yet. Still loading. And then three birthday celebration for this month. So this month we have three partner that having birthday, and then there are four monthly key topic for that will be discussed for this month. Oh, sorry, I'm very my internet very lagging, so it's not loading. Or maybe I will refresh the Trello board. Oh iya nih, kayaknya lagi ada masalah. Mana update-nya berapa tadi? Kak keload. Oh, Om Rafiq bisa kasih update nggak Om? Aku nggak keload di sini. Slow sekali. Slow. Nggak ke open.
Aku buka apapun di sini nih. Susah.
Nggak ke open.
Iya.
Untuk apa? Untuk renewalnya berapa Om?
Kenapa?
Untuk yang appointment renewalnya berapa update-nya? Om ada screenshot-nya kan?
Ada aku udah screenshot itu.
Oh,
kayaknya.
nggak loading soalnya di niku.
Pak, aku bisa.
Loading nggak? Coba.
Tunggu deh Kintamani ini bagus nih.
Kintamani tuh maju.
Malah Badung mundur.
Mundur dia kalah dia.
Mungkin kalau pas di sini hujan angin di situ bagus mungkin.
Tapi Bang ini nggak hujan angin kayak.
Ya angin malamnya. Bentar tapi.
Itu kayaknya aku udah update tuh kayak.
Oke, oh ya.
Ini kan ya?
Yeah. There are 5 appointment renewal contract and contract
berbeda. Yeah.
And then 4 appointment with partner for talking about the monthly key topic. And then the C1 for discuss and feedback for monthly key topic there are 3. And then for feedback about the contract 2. And then for the birthday is 3. And then no actionable insight yet for the engagement. Okay, and then the next in the app there is a update from I think Sasha. Sasha already make three content ya Sasha ya for this week. For next week, and then for the topic as well, and then
which one is that? Oh nggak ada.
Yang di bawahnya itu, coba scroll ke bawah.
Oh, di bawah.
Di komen. Di
Here?
komen itu juga.
Ini?
Ya itu. Terus
Oke.
bawah. Itu pas itu. Yang Sasha.
Sasha. Oh, Sasha. Ada ini Sasha.
Ya itu. So there are 3 topic from Sasha, and then Sasha also make a content, 3 content from Sasha, and then because it is haven't upload yet, so we don't have any engagement rate yet, and then the actionable insight yet, and then today we plan to post one more content from the Facebook group.
Tetendi.
Yes.
Itu Quincy kok masuk sini dia?
Quincy masuk. Siapa
Quincy
Quincy?
siapa?
Quincy Larson.
Quincy siapa?
Ini yang anu deh, yang
Yang
data
coding.
science itu, coding.
Ya.
Tuh aku stop share screen dulu nih. Dah, gimana?
Enggak. Mungkin dia salah message sama
Dia
si
salah room deh.
Jing.
Oh, I see.
Mungkin di mana kayak.
Oke.
Lanjut.
Okay, thank you. And then the next is community page trusted by community. The next campaign. Udah loading nggak ya?
Ini udah, benar?
Udah. Okay, today Cynthia will explain about the what's called the template of the new template of BVC Talk. Ya papernya itu the BVC Talk paper. Because previously our template is very simple, but Cynthia using the similar template with the BV Talk, and then we'll explaining to us by today at 1:45, and then she will explain about how to schedule it, how to pakai breakdown about the eventnya juga, to get more structure like BVE Talk like that. So this is more like connecting the expert and then the partner for the BVC Talk.
Oke.
And today we have a talk, right? With Cuca.
Yeah. And then today we have at 3 p.m. we have a talk as well with Cuca Restoran Jimbaran, and all the community member is already invited on the calendar ya. Okay,
Invite, Kak. Invite.
Ya, siap. Invite.
Bagus.
Invite. Okay, back to the Trello, Lilis. For the explanation will be explained by Cynthia ya for the next. And then for the next campaign is maintain partner by trust by clear payment report. David, could you explain your update?
Okay, until this morning there are no anomalous payment yet, and until today there are only 2 Airbnb payment anomalies left that are not solved. Still waiting for HAR to access the Airbnb to get the information for Airbnb. Yeah.
Okay.
Just
So,
that.
do you have any friction so far, David? For the
For the friction, I think with bigger sih, I make a summary to fix bigger first, because we need to sometimes bigger detect a wrong account in wrong account that Airbnb sent. Yeah.
Oh, wrong account.
So jadi Airbnb ngirim misalnya ke owner, tapi ngirim misalnya ke 6056, tapi detect-nya ke owner kayak gitu sih.
Oh, di biggernya.
Iya.
Oh, yeah. I think that's sometimes happen as well, like before, like in bigger, the what's called the destination of the transfer is to owner, but actually when you check Airbnb, it's goes to the 6056. Okay, maybe you can coordinate with Mas Bayu, for fixing the error.
I'm already talked to PD to Nadia.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you, David, for the handling that case. Just give update ya if the issue is already fixed or not.
Okay.
Thank you. And then I think for the campaign, it's already covered all. Is there any question about the campaign? Okay, if not, then I will go move to the discussion management.
Lilis dengerin radio ya?
Ya, kedengeran ya? Sumpah lupa.
Iyalah kan masuk.
Lupa aku, maafkan.
Okay, go to discussion management. Kayaknya aku bisa share screen.
Oke.
Okay.
Nah,
kelihatan nggak?
Kelihatan.
Okay. So for the discussion management, yeah, actually me and Om Rafiq already make the summary, but I think we are missing one more, Om Rafiq, about the summary of the total engagement, Om Rafiq, for the January, and then we also need to check that to give the result of the survey for the January as well, for the December.
Yeah, later can I put it later?
Okay.
Because kita tadi cepat-cepat kan biar dapat sama Rizal.
Oke, nanti
ya.
bantu update di sini Om ya hasil gini surveinya.
Oke, siap.
Oke, thank you. Dari David udah ada di ini nggak, revisi nggak?
Not yet for the SLA.
Oke, kalau by Senin udah bisa selesai nggak?
I think I can.
Oke.
Yeah.
Oke, Senin selesai.
Invite aku di paper dong, Tan.
Oke, sure. By Monday. Okay, for the next, for the community chapter mission idea, I think this is already discussed before. And then, I would like to review again about this. And then, so for the fixed mission, can we write down the full word of the mission, ya? Maybe Lilis maksud apa namanya? For the full word-nya tuh menurut kamu seperti apa? Karena kan sekarang tuh full word-nya adalah apa ya, mana Trello board tadi? Full word-nya kan the Bukit Vista Community Mission is to inspire through hospitality innovation and positively transform our partner kan. Gitu. Untuk full word-nya kemarin mainnya kan kita udah dapat tuh maintain turnover rate sama advocacy kan. Itu untuk yang full word-nya untuk yang Bukit Vista Community Mission itu, apakah kita tinggal nambahin atau kita ganti kata-kata yang innovation ini?
You're talking about the last topic ya Kak ya, yang di atas ya?
Ya, the last topic.
Because your discussion itu di bawah nggak kelihatan. Your paper maksudnya. Naikin dikit Kak.
Oh, naikin dikit.
Iya, kelihatan.
Yang ini.
Okay, so I'm writing down this kan last week kita udah discuss gitu. Jadi aku pengen kayak today we discuss about the new formula for the new wording gitu. Jadi I think everyone should write down thought-nya masing-masing, nanti kita compile istilahnya. I do this before on BI. Jadi kayak kita coba dulu masing-masing, nanti kita lihat yang mana yang paling cocok. Tapi contain that points gitu yang dua itu.
Okay, then so maybe I will bring to the floor from David. What is your thought for the Bukit Vista Community Mission regarding this 2 point of the mission, the partner retention and partner growth, the turnover rates and advocacy?
Kak, if I may suggest you perhaps just give time like 2 minutes gitu for everybody here to write down first.
Oh ya, boleh.
Baru kita discuss.
Maybe we can you guys write down your thoughts? I will give 2 minutes. Is enough? Just write it down now ya.
Oke. Bentar nih.
Salah.
Aku buka paper aja nguyang-nguyang coy.
Atau enggak you can type anywhere Om, di chat boleh.
Ya.
Sasha juga boleh ya kalau ada suggestion.
Udah, Sasha juga boleh. Pribadi. Siapa tahu ada punya pembahasan lebih bagus gitu kan.
Hmm.
Sasha diketik aja, gak apa-apa.
Pada bang. Udah semua kah? Ada yang masih?
Itu aja sih.
Okay, let's see ya. Okay, from me, my suggestion is the Bukit Vista community mission to reducing partner turnover and growing the community member by inspire delight through hospitality innovation and positively transform our partner. And then from Om Rafiq, the Bukit Vista community mission to inspire delight partner by maintain and develop the partnership. And then from David, to inspire delight by developing network of community and concern between BV and partner. And then from Sasha is generate advocacy and mitigate turnover in partner relationship. From Lilis is to inspire delight by maintaining the negative growth of partner turnover, that positive growth of advocacy rate. Okay, from the first, from my thoughts is there anyone maybe from Rafiq? What do you think from my thought?
Okay, thank you, Tandy. For your thought is the first one is I'm agree with that exactly, but we need to the general thing. It's not specific only for partner retention and also partner growth. So if you put it on the mission, I think it's all the mission is regarding the partnership, right? So kalau bisa sih nggak isi itu gitu loh. Kalau aku sih itu. Soalnya gini, kalau kalau missionnya seperti itu, jadi kita fokusnya di situ aja. Jadi kita intinya nggak ngurusin siapa-siapa lagi gitu loh. Jadi ngerti nggak maksudku?
Aku kurang
Jadi,
paham, Om.
Kenapa?
Aku kurang paham.
Jadi gini, kalau aku sih setuju. Jadi kalau menurut aku sih ini kan bagian internalnya nih.
Ya.
Apa namanya? Spesial maksudku.
Ya.
Spesial case dari community yang kita hadapi adalah partner retention sama partner growth. Ya, Lisya. Kalau itu yang dimasukin di mission, jadi kita lebih ke fokus ke itu. Jadi kita nggak ngambil apa-apa lagi gitu maksudku, Riz. Jadi nggak general jadinya. Kalau kita di community kan mainnya generalis. Apakah itu cleanliness, apakah itu negative review, kita juga ambil seperti itu. Kalau aku sih lebih ke apa namanya kata-kata yang lebih general. Jujur ya, aku juga nggak terlalu bisa berkata-kata yang bagus. Jadi aku saja tuh lebih yang general gitu loh. Lebih ada ngurusin reviewnya, ada apa sih namanya itu aku nggak ngerti, nggak mudeng aku loh.
Oke.
Aku lebih ke maintain ke sama develop partnership sih kalau menurut aku sih. Karena kan kalau maintain sama develop itu sudah ada bagian dari partner retention, partner growth ada di situ. Kalau menurut aku sih, kalau menurut aku. Sekarang kan gimana votingnya aja sih. Kalau aku sih nggak tergantung mission sih, yang penting kita goalnya dapat gitu loh kalau menurut aku sih, Lis.
Oke, terus thank you Om. Terus maybe from David, do you agree what the Om Rafiq said or do you have any opinion?
Aku sama sih Kak, setuju juga. Karena situ yang tadi pikirku kalau aku masukin, tapi yang kita kerjakan banyak gitu, nggak ke kayak nggak fokus ke misalnya turnover, sedangkan yang kita kerjakan gitu nggak tujuannya jauh lah ke situ, turnover rates kayak gitu. Jadi sugesti mirip sama Om Rafiq sih kayak gitu, lebih ke developing network atau maintain the partner kayak gitu.
Oke, terus so Om Rafiq and David have a same opinion. How about Lilis? Do you agree with David and Om Rafiq?
I think I need Sasha. Siapa Sasha?
Oh ya, Sasha. Okay, Sasha, what do you think about the first opinion?
I think it needs to be a little specific, not too general.
Okay.
It should be
Uh,
general, but it
hmm,
needs to be specific too at the same time.
okay, thank you.
Why, Sasha?
Because if it's too general, then it's not mission, I think.
Okay, continue Kak Tendi.
Yeah.
Continue. Ya Kak, continue Kak.
Okay. So from Sasha is the suggestion is more specific because it's too general for the first mission. And then what about you, Lilis? Do you agree that's still general or that's actually already specific?
Okay, so actually, I tend to agree with Sasha.
Hmm.
Sasha ya, Si
Sasha.
Sasha. Because why? Um, f- the two main purpose of community is reducing turnover and also improving the apa namanya advocacy rates at the end. Everything that we done as a campaign or SLAs, it's actually related to that. I mean, the end goal is to maintain the partners so they don't uh, turn offer or off board. And then, for example, finance, it's also helping us to inspire the light the partner so they can perhaps apa namanya promotes us to the other property owners. So that two things is not a specific things, I guess. It's a general thing. I
Hmm.
mean, everything that we do is for that. Itu sebenarnya my thought
Hmm.
regarding apa why I write down that mission gitu, because everything that we done is basically for that purpose.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's my thought.
Okay, thank you, Lilis. Yeah, I think for the comment from the teams that yeah maybe need more specific because it's need a little breakdown again as well. I think for the reducing partner turnover and then also the growing the community member because I think this is more like a vision. What do you think? This is like a because the vision and mission it's different, right? The vision is like a, what is the purpose or the main, and then the mission is how we achieve the vision. The mission is like the breakdown, like what we need to do to achieve the vision, for example, like that. So I think this is can be the vision, like the reducing the partner turnover and growing the community member, and then the mission itself is like the way how we achieving the vision. Okay, so from the first top from my top, I think uh, we will check for the second first for the from Om Rafiq. Touch the Bukit Vista Community Mission to inspire delight partner by maintain and develop the partnership. Okay, so by maintain and develop. Okay, so from the Rafi thoughts maybe from my side like because for the mission we want to what's called see the sort of for the short time goal, right? So for example like BI okay, so the BI mission is like about the revenue, right? So if this month revenue is more than the last month, it means the mission is achieved, right? Like that. So that's clear, like about the revenue, about the numbers. And then in community, because in community we are more in about the quality than the number, about the quality of service and everything. So I think how we see the this mission is already achieved or not. From my side it's still hard because like maintain how we set our we have achieved the mission, how we see the maintain, what is the maintain, right? And then like and develop like what, yeah, I'm Rafiq, like for example like this month and then next month, right? This we use this mission like by maintain and develop the partnership, and then how we can say the progress of community is success by see what like that. So if maintain, it's how we can see like that. What do you think? Or do you agree, or do you have any other perspective? It's hard to say about this vision, right? Because it's
Yeah,
the
yeah,
community.
same like for the first community is thing to make that mission, right?
Yeah.
It's also the mission is blur as well,
Mm.
right? The hospitality innovation is just because hospital innovation can be from guest, can be from employee, right? Can be from partner. So nice, same like what is Sasa and Lily said is more specific. So that's why I make the maintained because at community, yeah, as I know, it's not specific only to do that thing. That I mean, for example, even though the financial problem, even though for the gas problem, they always contact us. That, for example, and then also that is a general mission. That's I want to describe the community mission. And exactly, jujur ya, aku juga nggak terlalu bisa berbahasa yang baik dan benar dalam apa sih namanya itu
Mungkin
bikin mission segala
mungkin
macam.
maintain itu aku perlu tahu maintain dalam hal apanya nih gitu.
Maintain dalam artian gini, maintain itu dalam artian ada beberapa maintain, misalnya maintain relationship. Itu yang pertama.
Ah,
Maintain dari guest house-nya dia ada negative review, kita yang maintain kan tugasnya kita sebagai community. Biar cleanliness-nya dapat reviewnya yang bagus.
Hmm.
Terus maintain misalnya dia nggak tahu bigger, kita yang bantu. Seperti itulah.
Jadi maintain ini masih general.
Masih general. Kalau kita bikin spesifik itu bakal banyak yang ada.
Oh.
Kayak bigger, kayak sistem, arahin sistem kan gitu.
Soalnya kan
Menurutku.
because previously kan most of the team want to more specific, right? Not more general. Tapi Om Rafiq kembali ke general lagi, belum spesifik.
Nggak, iya, karena aku gini, kalau aku ini mungkin ada perbedaan pendapat aku ya sama Lili sama si Sasa. Kalau kita misinya kita cuma istilahnya gini, kita kan mau nembak panah nih. Jadi kalau kita goalnya cuma satu doang, ya kita fokus di situ aja. Jadi kita nggak ada ngurusin apa-apa jadinya. Kalau menurut aku itu, karena dari community ini kan kalau menurut aku ini missionnya gede banget. Nggak cuma turnover rate. Jujur ya, kalau kita engagementnya bagus, 7 turunan dia nggak bakal turnover rate. Kalau menurut aku sih, kalau engagementnya kita nggak bagus, 5 hari aja dia udah turnover rate. Kita nggak kasih tahu dia udah turnover rate. Jadi gitu, itu general. Makanya susah aku jadinya ngomong gimana bahasa yang bagus. Makanya kalau memang spesifiknya yang kayak gimana gitu loh. Kalau menurut aku sih, kalau mau spesifik kayak turnover rate sama apa namanya atur partner growth. Jadi kita di situ aja maintainnya nantinya. Apakah nanti kita ada negative review dari SCR kita bantu?
Bantu.
Apa
kan kita
gini?
mau prevent turnover.
Turnover.
Kita
Jadi
deliver
misalnya,
ke community ke partner. Kita yang deliver.
ke partner. Terus apa finansialnya? Kita bantu juga.
Bantu prevent turnover.
Jadi misinya itu yang penting mereduce prevent turnover.
Iya.
Gimana kalau maintain satisfaction partner, maintain satisfaction kayak rating kita kan intinya tuh adalah partner satisfaction kan.
Nah, aku kasih contoh nih, kayak aku kasih contoh simple nih. Coba lihat sekarang nih. Sekarang dari SCR, I don't blame anyone or anything, right? Jadi SCR itu salah reservasi. Ngerti nggak? Salah reservasi segala macam. Terus SCR lempar ke community untuk menjelaskan ke partner. Nah, itu dari mana itu?
Maksudnya dari mana? Apanya yang jadi
Misalnya gini, kayak si David kan bikin itu tuh di Trello tuh. Nih ada partner di mana sih David? Di Jogja ya?
Wiro
Itu,
Saban.
Wiro Saban, dia kedidak segala macam karena dinas. Itu kan sebenarnya dari SCR harus komunikasi sama partner bahwa reservasinya kena didak segala macam. Terus lempar lagi ke community yang urus reservasi jadinya gitu loh maksudku. Gitu nggak maksudku?
Oke, aku paham. Cuman, what is the relationship between mission? I mean, you make it more general, then your activity should be more general then.
Kalau aku gini Alicia, kalau aku mau spesifik seperti yang kamu bilang itu partner retention, kalau masalah finansial ya, kalau turnovernya kalau kita nggak bantu dia masalah itu, oke. Kalau kita nggak bantu tentang cleanliness, bakal turnover, oke, aku ngerti. Ya, mungkin semuanya bakal merujuk ke situ jadinya. Apakah dia tuh kedidak uangnya, jadi bakal ada pengaruh juga ke turnovernya kan. Mungkin aku dibikin kata-kata yang bagus biar nggak cuma turnover rate sama advokasi rate loh, Lis. Berarti nggak usah dulu. Jadi kata-katanya tuh nanti takutnya gini, Lis. Ada yang baru ataupun chapter yang lain yang bacanya sesimpel, oh dia cuma ngurusin turnover rate sama advokasi rate jadinya. Ngerti nggak maksudku? Kalau aku orang awam yang
Tapi
baca.
kalau turnover itu sebenarnya udah mewakili community nggak? Kalau misalnya kita maintainnya bagus, komunikasinya bagus, paymentnya bagus, semuanya tuh buat apa dia turnover itu kan?
Ya.
Mungkin aku tanya dulu sama Rafiq. Kalau misalnya BI, accelerating revenue growth for best global portfolio of property. Jadinya BI ngurusin apa tuh?
Ya revenue.
Ya revenue kan? Tapi revenue itu ada turunannya. Ada ternyata ngurusin ECR, ngurusin funnel ECR, ngurusin marketingnya bagaimana gitu loh. Dia ada turunannya gitu.
Tapi kalau community turunannya gimana?
Ya turunannya ngurus cleanliness, ngurus communication. Yang Om Rafiq sebutin tadi. Itu turunan daripada kita kan belum dapat si mission.
Lebih ke SME-nya ya, internal
SME-nya
jadinya.
Lis, kalau kamu kan dua kata tuh. 3 kata, accelerating revenue growth. 3 kata. Yang itu bisa dapat secara general.
Oke.
Udah ada panel SCR-nya, growth gitu loh, revenue. Ini buat kata-kata yang bagus tentang turnover rate sama advokatnya apa? Ngerti nggak maksudku? Aduh, kewah aja ngomongnya.
Apa namanya sebuah frase?
Gitu boleh tuh dia ngomong. Gitu maksudku. Kalau kamu kan gini,
nggak keluar.
Gini, kalau kamu kan to inspire delight by accelerating revenue growth. Jadi kan secara general tuh, tapi ada spesifiknya. Ada panel SCR-nya. Aku maunya bikin kayak gitu, frase gitu, tapi nggak lepas dari turnover rate sama advokasi.
Mission general juga maksudnya mau buat general.
Masa missionnya kita untuk turnover rate decreasing sama advokasi rate biar bagus kata-katanya dikit akselerasi. Ini kan bagus nih BI, accelerating revenue growth biar gitu.
Soalnya gini, why is it accelerating? Karena BI itu memang dia
optimize.
Itu sekarang makanya accelerating. Makanya aku tadi mikir juga. Jadi maintain itu.
Bagus.
Maintain apa tuh? Satisfaction. Maintain partner.
Ini aja mikir 1 jam, cuy.
Partner rate.
Ini aja mikir 1 jam.
Itu udah susah.
Kalau di sini susah ini.
Susah. Karena aku frasenya tuh susah, bro. Masa kita bikin community mission is partner retention and partner growth. Dangkal banget kayak community, cuy.
Partner
Praksi
growth itu
kata-kata.
susah Om Rafiq. Itu tuh udah
Partner growth tuh mantap.
gede Om.
Ya udah, partner growth nanti.
Tapi kalau growth tuh lebih gampang, misalnya misi kita tuh 5% growth per month gitu. Bisa dilihat kan gitu. Kalau goal saya, kita punya goal nih 5% growth per month gitu misalnya. Itu kan bisa di measure.
Gini aja deh, gini aja.
Gimana?
Kita coba yang itu digabungin. Coba siapa bisa praksi kata-kata. Gabungin dua itu, ayo.
Dua itu yang mana tuh? Coba
Itu partner retention sama partner growth. Jadiin satu tuh. Biar missionnya coba.
Siapa lagi satu?
Coba kamu bikin list,
Yes.
coba.
Siapa biasa?
Aku nggak bisa bikin, aku catat
Itu
dulu.
apa tuh? Itu bagus tuh. Inimu to inspire delight by maintaining the negative growth.
Oh, partner
Negative growth tuh maksudnya turnover.
Ya, jadi kan biar negatif terus turnover-nya. Maksudnya negatif growth tuh. Nah, itu mungkin harus disimplifikasi lagi. Itu aku juga bingung tadi. By improving partner retention bisa, improving partner retention and growth. Nah, bisa.
Aduh,
retention.
Coba ya. Apa tuh?
Partner retention and growth of advocacy rate.
Aku kalau ada orang bisa baca pikiranku, tolong baca pikiranku.
Jorok pikiran
aku. Enggak, aku pikir yang itu, Cuk, biar dua itu biar jadi satu, Cuk.
Oke, siap.
Biar bagus sedikit kata-katanya.
To inspire the light by maintaining partner retention and partner growth, gitu ya.
Iya,
partner retention and growth. Apa tuh belakangnya?
Growth-nya tuh nggak ada tambahan.
19, 21.
Tambahan apa?
By
Very easy number.
By advocacy rate nggak.
True hospitality innovation.
Oh boleh, true innovation.
Boleh, langsung aja itu tambahin.
True hospitality innovation, enggak usah ada panjang-panjang.
Itu aja true hospitality innovation. Jadi inovasinya dari kita gitu, misalnya ada cleanliness kita.
Nah, ini tuh nanti di bawahnya KPI utamanya adalah turnover
rate sama partner growth.
Rates, ya partner growth-nya apa? Nah, ini tuh retention. Turnover rates. Terus yang satu lagi kan growth. Ini tuh advocacy. Itu sebenarnya aku maksud juga, tapi aku bingung juga pakai kata-kata.
Berarti KPI itu kita cuma ngeliat dua itu aja kan?
Sebenarnya kita sama, tapi
ya menyampaikan memang susah, makanya that's why I bring this topics gitu biar semua orang bisa berpendapat gitu.
Ya itu aja sih pakai.
Coba ya.
Itu aja pakai udah dah.
Sini.
Mana tuh?
Taruh di sini ya.
Ini nak board mark.
Oke. Wait ya. Salah. Ini card. Gimana? Anyone have
dari Sasha gimana nih? Coba jelasin itu maksudnya gimana? Yang Sasha yang create goodwill, generate advocacy, mitigate turnover.
Oh iya, tapi Sasha setuju sih Kak. I agree with the new one.
Coba yang di atas Kak, itu yang hijau tuh Kak. Coba biar everyone read it one more.
To inspire delight by maintaining partner retention and growth through hospitality innovation.
Ajar.
Setuju?
Nah, itu dah ya.
Ya.
That's it. Deal ya.
Deal.
Oke, udah di vote nih.
KPI. Ganti deh warnanya. Udah.
Ya.
Pink aja. Pink.
Udah ya, dapat ya.
Listnya
Udah.
Kan bagus.
We have new for community, so we can see the progress or performance of community by see this two KPI, partner retention and partner growth. If we success to reduce the turnover, then we achieve the mission, and then if we success to get the partner growth, so we success to get the advocacy rates increasing like that. I think that's all for the mission. Then since the time is 10 minutes left, so the time for the community pitch. Cynthia, floor is yours.
Oh, jadi lantainya milik dia gitu.
Yes, aku langit.
Guys, guys.
Bagus. Lanjut.
Nggak ada suara, Mbak.
Iya.
Mic-nya kurang dipencet, Mbak.
Kurang ditekun.
Iya, maaf.
Buton.
Ya,
Buton.
Okay, thank you guys. But actually, if it's, I mean, like important, most important, you can tell us aja. Then we could understand on that. But thank you for the time, for this one. So, this is actually for the PPC talk. Like today, we're gonna having one of the community talk, right? Yeah. Si talk juga. By today with Chucha, how to spell it?
Chucha Restoran.
With the Chucha restaurant. So, yep, I hope today's will be run well. And who will be the moderator? Is it Nadia? Yeah. Where's Nadia? Okay. 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 The moderator will be Nadia. And then yes, I hope if you can make it, please join. And then to Sasha as well, because it will be your first C-Talk, so we encourage you to join as well. And then, okay, this is actually the paper that I made for BVC Talk for the public version. So we're gonna having C-Talk with partner and also open to public in the future, right? To build the community as well. This is basically I took from the BVE talk, but I have make some adjustment there. Okay, if you can start, that is our company mission, and then C-Talk mission. We could put our C-Talk mission from for the audience or the Bukit Vista itself. And then this is the topics. This is the same like what question that we will discuss on the C-Talk itself. And then this is the general timeline. This is kind of like if we make milestone for the preparation, let's say for the publication, and then we're gonna be like the speakers set, and then when will it be settled? And then if you can scroll down a little bit, this is for the stage. We can cover about the pre-event and then the event and also the post-event. The post-event is mostly like the review that we already did right now to the partner, and then also post on our blog that could be on the post-event. The event itself is the audience Q&A and then the session, and the pre-event, yeah, we could maybe we could adjust more, like who will be our speakers. Not really sure. I think we don't really need any co-host here right now. So I think it could be deleted. And then term of reference, it's kind of like a summary of your event. So you could give that to the speakers, like they have a visualization of our event. And then this one for the pre-event, speakers candidate. This is for the expert, like who are we reach out, and then this is the status, like outreach, and then response, discuss, booked, and if they are declined, then so it will be we turn down the speaker like that. And then for the targeted audience, who are gonna be our targeted audience? Mostly we will share it with the community on the Facebook, right? Like Canggu community, Uluwatu community, Bukit Vista community itself. So it could be here. This is the event at work, like the poster, the invitation email if needed. And then, well, I think for this one, it could be deleted. This is for the event rules and rundown. Mostly this is for the person that will in charge, like who will be the venue host, who will provide the venue like Google Meet, Zoom, or when there will be there the introduction host. This is the same like we do the partner talk, but the first opener maybe like let's say Kak Tendi, and then from the moderator of the event, then Om Rafiq. It could be like that. And then recorder who will record during the session, and then the screen controller mean that if we are presenting slide, so yes, who will be like present the slide there, the registration, if there will be registration for the community, then who will in charge on that. And then this is for the event. If we could open that, it's kind of like the rundown. Yep, this just overview for the rundown so far. We could make it like these details or not, and it could be adjusted. So yes, I think that's pretty much it. And then for the post event, like recording will be like uploaded to YouTube, and then we're gonna make the YouTube thumbnail for the YouTube video, and then thank you card, how we will express our appreciation to the speakers, and then press release. It's kind of like a blog that we have already made, but it will. But maybe if possible, we could ask the speakers management, like the speakers company as well, to post it to their website, and then we could put the backlink from the articles to our website. So everyone that come to their website could be check our website, our website. Okay, that's pretty much it. And then for the evaluation and feedback, this is actually for the evaluation and feedback for a better or improvement from the next event. So what's actually lacked in this city talk, BVC talk, and then how can we improve on the next C talk if we do that again in the future. So that's basically for the paper for the BVC talk. Maybe I will give it back to the floor.
Okay, thank you Cynthia for the explanation. Yeah, maybe I will ask the member here. So from Sasha, Sasha is the newest member here, right? So, what do you think about this template? Could you understand easily, or do you have any question?
No, I can understand it easily, Kak.
Okay, which part?
Especially the PIC ones, the one that are responsible for in the C-Talk. Yeah, it's quite specific and it's to the point. Yeah.
Okay, maybe from Cynthia, do you have the answer?
Dia bilang bisa nggak sih?
Dia bisa bilang iya kan?
Hah? Bisa?
Dia ngerti, bukan kan?
Bisa.
Soalnya agak
kan.
putus, internetku agak putus di tengah soalnya nggak dengar gitu. Oke, good, thank you si Sasha. Terus
Mau ngelawak ini si
from David gimana? David?
Good from me, Kak.
Oke, Om Rafiq?
Kalau aku sih ini lebih terstruktur ya. Kalau menurut aku sih, aku thank you banget sama si Cynthia. Jadi kita bisa tahu PIC-nya, what the goal, what the pre-event, segala macam, PIC-nya juga. Jadi aku udah bisa mengerti sih.
Oke.
Itu sih dari aku.
Oh ya mungkin dari aku mungkin Cynthia kamu bisa attach salah satu contoh yang BVA Talk untuk melihat gimana jadinya gitu loh. Jadinya seperti apa, buat reference saja nanti kita buat kata-katanya seperti apa kayak gitu biar lebih gampang. Terus mungkin untuk yang ini, untuk yang template ini kan udah. Terus nah untuk yang apa namanya expertnya sendiri, apakah juga pakai ini? Contohnya kayak Cuca Restoran, apakah pakai template ini atau beda lagi template-nya? Kayak ini kan untuk yang sama partner kan, untuk yang ini kan kayak gitu gimana?
I think sih bisa juga diadapt buat itu sih Kak. Jadi cuma lebih simpel aja nanti ke depannya. Jadi nggak yang usah, iya, paling yang di situ aja. Karena kan itu masih kayak internal kita dulu kan. Tapi lebih jelas aja pembagiannya gimana-gimana. Mungkin bisa diadapt untuk beberapa ininya sih, beberapa aspeknya.
Oke deh. Oke, berarti untuk yang Cuca, untuk yang expertnya aja, berarti kita perlu satu template lagi ya depannya untuk ngisi atau sebenarnya kan kita udah ada ya kalau nggak salah Maria nggak ada ya? Mana ya? Kalau nggak salah tuh ada deh. Namanya aku lupa papernya. Coba aku tanya sama Maria, kamu udah pernah belum lihat untuk papernya Cynthia untuk yang expert aja? Belum ya?
Belum.
Oke, mungkin aku bisa tolong Nadia untuk attach di sini juga ya, di Trello ya?
Boleh.
Oke, ada question lagi nggak dari yang lain? Untuk template-nya? Oke, siap Om. Oke,
aman. Dari aku aman.
Oke, kalau nggak berarti for the next we will use this template ya. Thank you Cynthia udah bantuin buat template ini. Jadi untuk kedepannya kita pakai template ini, kita coba dulu untuk yang the first sama ownernya nanti. Terus nanti kita bisa update di Trello board untuk sisa update-nya. Oke, thank you very much ya everyone for attend the meeting. I think aku lanjut sama Lilis kayaknya ya. Untuk yang apa kamu share itu Lilis? Oke, thank you.